Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
It's the most happening time of the year. Hi guys, it's me Amantika, and guess what? It's the party season. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 outfit ideas which will definitely glam up your New Year's Eve. So let's begin. Wearing all these amazing outfits which I bought from Paytm Mall. I feel pretty, I feel confident, and I definitely feel like a diva wearing all of these amazing clothes which I bought from Paytm Mall. Comment below and tell me which look was your favorite. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pinkvilla. Happy New Year!